friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how you can solve Wi-Fi problem on Samsung phone. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, first of all, here you have to move on setting. When you move on setting, from here you have to scroll on the down, and here you can see option of the general management. So friends, here you have to click on general management. When you click on general management, and inside this, from here you can scroll on the down. When you scroll down, here you can see the option of the reset. Okay, so this is the option of the reset. So friends, you have to tap on it. When you click on it, here you can see the second option is to reset network settings. So friends, click on reset network setting, and here you can see this will reset all network setting, including those Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth. So if you want to solve your problem, just click on reset setting and your problem will be solved. Okay, Wi-Fi problem. And if it doesn't solve your Wi-Fi problem, then what you need to do is that you can call customer care, or you can move on service center, okay, to solve your Wi-Fi problem, because I just gave you some suggestion to solve your Wi-Fi problem. Okay, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.